Strength matters as much as flavor. Balance is measured, not guessed. Trust is built through verification.
The process begins where land, climate, and patience align.
Precision protects both harvest and tree. Gravity becomes the first tool of separation. Every movement is designed to lose nothing. From ground to transport, speed stays controlled. Volume grows, order remains. Nothing leaves the field without inspection. The harvest now begins its journey.
Distance is short, but care never fades.
From soil to steel, the journey tightens.
Scale increases, responsibility remains.
Processing begins long before the first machine turns. Every arrival is logged and measured. The factory reveals its true scale. Human judgment guides heavy movement. The handoff from road to process is complete. This is where harvest meets industry. Every entry point is designed for control. Gravity prepares to work again. The factory's heartbeat starts here. Motion turns material into process.
Eyes remain on every kilogram.
The raw state begins to change. Scale and order define the first transformation. Before refinement, impurities must leave. Separation begins with movement. Air becomes a silent filter. Weight reveals what does not belong. Elevation prepares the next decision. Uniformity begins to take shape. Persisted in recent world.
Human judgment still matters.
Only clean material moves on. The shell has protected long enough. Force is applied with restraint. What remains is what matters. Air finishes what steel began. The core is now exposed. Balance prepares transformation. Stillness has a purpose. The main transformation is ready. Heat is applied with intention. Transformation happens gradually. Precision protects quality. Heat releases its hold. Stability is restored. Uniformity is confirmed. Human oversight hands off to machines. Efficiency now takes the lead. Speed and vision now combine. Every kernel is judged in milliseconds. Accuracy leaves no room for error. Balance keeps the system alive. Data guides every decision. Nothing passes unchecked. Standards are enforced silently. Only the best move. Consistency is refined to the millimeter.
Size defines purpose.
Finish is achieved without force. Human eyes confirm machine work. Exactness controls every output. Many paths become one. Stability protects. Verification now takes priority. Trust is built through verification.
Every batch tells a story. Details reveal the truth.
Balance is measured, not guessed. Strength matters as much as flavor.
Standards are met. Movement continues.
The end is now in sight. The product takes its final form. Every pack is marked in time. Order prepares for movement. Storage protects readiness. The final handoff approaches. From factory to market.
And this is how modern factories produce almonds from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.